Today, we'll take a closer look at apples. Apples are fruits that grow on tree branches. They can be red, green, or yellow. Let's look at the apples at home. I chose an apple from the plate. Now, let's draw the apple's shape on paper. First, we draw the apple's stem. Next, we draw the curved lines that give the apple its shape. First the right side, then let's finish the left side. Oh, it's a bit crooked. But that's okay, we can fix it. Now let's draw the seeds. Let's make another one beside it so we can practice. Let's make this one even better. First the stem, then the body. To make it look three-dimensional, draw two slanted lines underneath. Then we draw the seeds. To make it look three-dimensional, draw a short line underneath too. Now let's draw 6 more like this to get some practice. The more you practice, the better your drawing will become. Now we have 8 apple halves. Now it's time to color. Yes. Let's look at our pencils. They look great. Now, let's line them up on the side. Now it's time to count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 apple halves. Together they make 4 whole apples. Now it's time to color. The pencil tips look pretty big. While I color, try to guess the name of the color. Okay? Did you guess the color? Well done! This color is red. Now it's time to color the stem and the bottom. Let's color the seeds blue. Finally, we colored the stem green. To make it look even nicer, we're adding dots and shapes. Our apple looks beautiful. You can choose any shape and color you like. Yes. What color is our second apple half? I'm asking you. Can you guess what this color is? Yes, I heard you. This color is blue. We colored the seeds red. Now our third apple. Our third apple half is purple. Now it's time for our fourth apple. This apple is yellow. Now for our fifth apple. This apple is green. What color are we using to color our sixth apple half? Our pencil has run out. What should we do now? We need to choose a new pencil. Which one should I use? This pencil looks good. I can color with this pencil. Oh no! This one won't work. This one's empty too.
Here, my friend, you can use this pencil.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Wow! It really works. This color is orange. Thank you. Let's use this color for this apple. Can you tell me the name of this color? Would you like to have a car in this color? Yes, a pink car. Yes. Now it's time for our final color. Our final color is red. When we put the apple halves together, 8 halves make 4 whole apples. My friend is helping me color. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Now it's time to add patterns. Yes, you can help too. We do a great job together. You can help your friends too. Yes, it looks great. Let's review. Red, blue, purple, yellow, green, orange, pink, and red. We have 8 apple halves in total. See you in the next video. Goodbye.